multi-vibrator. It is basically two-stage amplifiers with positive feedback from output of one amplifier to the input of the other. Taking output one transistor and feedback to another transistor. When one transistor is driven to saturation, other transistor is cut off, and vice versa. There are three types of multimeters: astable multivibrator, monostable multivibrator, bistable multivibrator. Astable multivibrator, it is also called free running relaxation oscillator. It has no stable state, but it has two quasi-stable state, half stable state. It keeps oscillating without any external triggering. When one is on and other is off, 180 degree phase with each other, this is the astable multivibrator.